Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the non-local keyword in Python. Now, what non-local keyword is? It is used to access or modify a variable which is present inside the outer function from an inner function. See, if we have defined one variable inside the outer function, we are able to access with the help of the non-local keyword inside the inner function. If we don't use the non-local keyword along with the variable, then we are not able to access or modify it. So this non-local keyword is used with the nested functions so that we are able to modify or change the value of the variables which we have defined inside the outer function. Okay, now let's see the code. So here I have defined the outer function and the inner function. In the outer function, I have defined the num variable whose value is 10. Now, inside the inner function, I have used the same variable with the help of the non-local keyword and modifying its value. Then, after it, I have called the inner function and print the value. Now, if I execute this file, you can see the value of the variable, that is inside the inner function is also 15. Outside the outer function, num value is also 50. Okay, so means we are able to access the variable inside the inner function with the help of the non-local keyword. Otherwise, you are not able to access it. If I comment this line and use the same variable, then it will give me an error. See, the error is, so this is the cannot access the local variable now where it is not associated. Means this variable is local to the outer function. We are not able to access it. But with the help of the non-local keyword, I am able to access this same variable inside the inner function and modify or change its value according to my requirement. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all of you the function of the non-local keyword. Okay. So if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.